Here's how to put a video inside text in Premiere Pro. First, drag your video onto your timeline. Next, open the Essential Graphics panel, which you will use later to stylize your text. Press T or go to the toolbar to select the text tool. Click in your program monitor and type in your title. This will create a text layer on top of your video clip. Adjust the title to have a duration of your choice. In the Essential Graphics panel, change the font to something with more impact. Adjust the size of your text so it fills up the majority of the frame. Position your text so that it is centered in the frame. Next, go to the Effects library. Select the Track Matte Key effect. Drag the Track Matte Key effect to your video layer. Do not drag it onto your text layer. Next, go to the Effect Controls and under Track Matte Key options, select Matte, and from the drop-down menu, select the video track with the text layer, which is Video 2. That is how to put a video inside text in Premiere Pro. You can also animate text so that it starts off screen and slowly zooms in. To do this, create a keyframe for scale at the beginning of the clip and scale until you don't see any text in the video. Then create another keyframe a few seconds into the clip by reverting back to normal by clicking on the Reset Parameter button. Right-click this keyframe and select Ease In for a smoother animation. Note that when you create a track matte effect, the black is transparent, so you can still add clips underneath to create an interesting effect. For more video tutorials, subscribe. Thank you for watching.